What happens to your body if you start boxing? Boxing isn't just about throwing punches. It's one of the few workouts that transform your entire system, body, mind, and mood. In just a few weeks, you start to build muscles, lose weight, and feel more focused and powerful in everyday life. The physical change is obvious, but what happens inside is even bigger. And here's the kicker: there's one hidden aspect of boxing that most people ignore. Once you experience it, everything shifts. It becomes the turning point that separates an average fitness routine from something that actually changes your life. Calorie melting machine. Imagine turning your body into a fat-burning furnace that keeps working even after you're done. That's what boxing does. In just 1 hour of workout, you can melt away between 400 and 700 calories. It's like combining an elite fitness session with the intensity of top-level sports. The secret is in the rhythm. Constant footwork, punches, head movement, all of it skyrockets your metabolism and keeps it revving for hours. Unlike that boring treadmill at the gym, boxing forces your entire body into action. Arms, legs, core, and even those hidden muscles get to work to pump muscles and help you lose weight while you build muscles. Want a practical tip? Try short rounds of 3 minutes with 30 seconds of rest. Use a punching bag or just shadow box in front of a mirror. Do this 3 times a week and feel the difference. Your jeans will start to loosen and your mirror will start looking back with respect, because this training style transforms your health fast. Cardiovascular boost. Most people think lifting weights or jogging is enough to improve heart health. But boxing, that's next level. Each session turns into a full-body cardio storm that boosts lung capacity and heart performance in ways a regular gym routine just can't compete with. You're not just sweating, you're upgrading your engine. Let's break it down. The constant movement, the rapid combos, the controlled breathing, it all challenges your cardiovascular system like few sports can. Your heart learns to handle pressure, your lungs adapt to intense effort, and suddenly walking upstairs feels like a warm-up. That's what consistent boxing training does to your fitness and overall health. Want to feel this difference yourself? Set a timer for 10 minutes and alternate 1 minute of fast-paced shadow boxing with 1 minute of rest. Repeat 5 times. It may feel intense at first, but your body will adapt fast, and your heart will thank you later. And just wait until you see what that does for your muscles next. Muscle growth and self-esteem. Boxing doesn't just change your body. It transforms how you carry yourself. As you build muscles and sculpt your frame, your self-confidence starts to rise. You walk taller, feel stronger, and notice how your presence starts to shift in any room you enter. The movements in boxing work multiple muscles at once. Your arms get stronger from punching, your legs from the footwork, and your core from the constant twists. It's a full-body training approach that develops strength and balance without relying on big gym machines. You're not just training for looks, you're training for function. Try mixing 2-minute punching drills with simple body weight moves like squats or planks. Over time, add light dumbbells or resistance bands. Not only will your body get more defined, but your energy will rise and your mood will change. And once the mind starts to feel stronger too, something powerful begins to unfold. Mental clarity and stress relief. There's something almost magical about throwing punches after a long, stressful day. Boxing taps into your nervous system and flips the switch from chaos to clarity. You breathe deeper, focus sharper, and suddenly that fog in your head starts to lift. It's not just training, it's therapy with gloves on. When your body moves at high intensity, it triggers a chemical shift. Endorphins flood your brain, washing away tension like a wave. That's why, after just 15 minutes of training, many people report feeling lighter, clearer, and more in control. It's the kind of mental reset that coffee or scrolling your phone just can't match. Want to test this out? Next time you feel overwhelmed, set a timer for 10 minutes. Do 1 minute of jab cross combos, then 1 minute of active rest like marching in place. Repeat 5 times. You'll break a sweat, yes, but more importantly, you'll feel like your mind just stepped out of a storm into fresh air. Emotional outlet. Everyone needs a release. Life builds up pressure, and if you don't let it out, it finds its own way. Often, that happens in the worst moments. Boxing offers a powerful and healthy outlet where each punch becomes a message. Frustration, fear, anxiety, all leave the body one strike at a time. Think about it. You're not yelling. You're not breaking things. You're hitting gloves or a bag with control and focused breathing. That's emotional intelligence in motion. Over time, you start to notice that what used to trigger you no longer has the same power. Your emotional stability grows with your muscles. Here's something you can try. The next time something upsets you, don't keep it inside. Put on gloves or just use your bare fists and shadow box for 5 minutes. You don't need a gym or equipment. Let your movement be your therapy. And with this new balance, it becomes even more important to stay safe. Safety first. Let's get real. Boxing is intense, and like any powerful tool, it demands respect. Without the right training and gear, what's meant to build muscles and boost health can easily turn into injury and frustration. That's why safety is not optional, it's essential from day one. Start with proper guidance. Whether you're in a gym or training at home, learn the basics. Protect your wrists with wraps, choose gloves that fit well, and warm up properly. Listening to your body is part of the training. Pushing through pain does not lead to big muscles. It leads to setbacks and slower progress. And if contact boxing is not your thing, no worries. Non-contact workouts like shadow boxing or heavy bag drills deliver the same fitness benefits without the risk of being hit. You still build muscles, improve health, and feel the burn. And that brings us to one of the most underrated parts of boxing: accessibility and versatility. You don't need a fancy gym, a ring, or even a coach to start boxing. That's the beauty of it. Boxing fits into your life wherever you are. Whether you're training in a studio, your garage, or your living room, all you need is a small space, your body, and a bit of consistency. Modern boxing gyms are incredibly welcoming. You'll find people of all fitness levels, from total beginners to lifelong athletes. Some are there to lose weight, others to build muscles, and many just want to feel alive again. No one's judging your speed or technique. Everyone's just there to grow stronger together. And if the gym is not an option, you're still in the game. A jump rope, a pair of gloves, and a mirror are enough to get started. Use online tutorials, follow short workouts, or create your own routine with jabs, footwork, and squats. The versatility is unreal. And the real surprise comes when you see what this all does to your body. Now that you know what boxing can do, what's holding you back? One workout could be the spark that changes everything: your body, your focus, your confidence. If this message hit you, drop a comment and let me know what you're ready to change. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. You're just getting started.